here's how it works. You go to the website and type a question. And after you type a question, if you put a question mark, it will text notify the tutor. So I'm the tutor. I'm on the iPad. I received a text, so that's how I got onto this link. Oh, I can answer your question. And whilst we're talking, right? So because we're in a voice chat, I'm gonna record my explanation. So, hey, so this is a commonly misunderstood concept, but you really have to remember to draw the green lines. Finish. And when you press finish, this video uploads nearly instantly. So there's a misunderstood concept, so you really have to remember to draw the green lines. Oh. Let me mute. And that's really it. That's the fundamental thing.